So these genes are EWSR1 is one gene on one end of it, and then the other gene is ATF1, or in the other version of it, it's EWSR1 on one end and what's called CREB1 on the other end. Now CREB1 and ATF1 are very similar genes in one respect. They are both genes that have basically the same targets around the whole genome in terms of genes that they will activate for expression. And so CREB1 and ATF1 both bind to the same places around the genome to turn on the same sort of complement of genes in those cells. And so it's really only that part of ATF1 or CREB1 that gets included into the clear cell sarcoma translocation. It's not the whole ATF1 gene or the whole CREB1 gene. It's just the part that recognizes a specific pattern in DNA and binds to it. What it brings to those sites of DNA is actually the first half of this EWSR1 gene. And so these fusion genes, and I know this gets really technical, but these fusion genes are really what came to define clear cell sarcoma. And they came to define it because they realized that all of these tumors that had the appearance of a melanoma but didn't arise in a melanoma place in the skin were all having evidence of this translocation or the fusion gene that was created by the translocation. They could detect one of those two findings in all those tumors.